Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and sign into the same Samsung account on the phone and the PC, because QuickShare relies on your identity and network. Once done, make sure both devices are discoverable and awake. Disable Battery Saver if active. Now open QuickShare on your Samsung and the Connection Assistant or QuickShare receiver on Windows. This first step primes discovery, so you can find the PC and begin the transfer quickly. You pick the files, photos, videos, or documents, then tap Share and choose QuickShare so the phone scans for nearby receivers. Once the PC icon appears, select it. The phone will send an invitation. On the PC, accept the incoming connection and confirm the target folder, because QuickShare saves to the chosen location. Once accepted, watch progress on both devices. Larger files take longer, so keep screens on. If you need multiple files, queue them to avoid repeated pairing prompts. You finish by checking the PC folder to confirm files transferred correctly, opening a few to validate integrity. If a transfer fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and try again. Intermittent radios often fix the problem. Once done, reboot devices or sign out and back into the Samsung account if issues persist, because session problems can block discovery. One key troubleshooting tip: disable VPNs and firewall rules temporarily. These commonly block QuickShare discovery and data transfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.